Hello, my name's Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP, and this is a partner talk today with Tamara Phelan from Solgari. Tamara, introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Solgari.
Hi, Rick. Yeah, it's lovely to be talking to you today. So obviously, my name's Tamara Phelan. I manage sales and strategic partnerships for Solgari. Typically, I work with Microsoft, the business applications teams, and SI partners, Dynamics 365 sellers, to help them understand communication challenges associated with traditional or single channel communication solutions and how these might be affecting their customers' business. You know, things like limitation of operational flexibility to enable and support remote working, lack of single view of customer communications, lack of integration with Dynamics 365, poor integration between communication channels and functionality for the contact center, for compliance and reporting, and also very importantly, the lack of security and compliance. So we work together with the teams to position the benefits, the business benefits of secure all-channel cloud communications.
So I like that term all channel because you really cover everything to do with how a customer or prospect or a channel partner is going to talk to your organization. And I love the fact that you can actually get all the communications data into Dynamics 365. So, that's something we've kind of struggled with over the last decade or so as more companies become social and want to interact with their constituents in a different way, right? So
Yeah.
why don't you talk a little bit about some of the use cases and what you're doing with Solgari today?
Yeah, of course, the fully integrated solutions becoming more and more important, Rick. And like you said, voice integrating your voice channels to Dynamics, is possible and has been possible. But expanding from voice to chat to SMS to social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat, when you start to add all of these, you still want to be able to integrate them into your contact center. You want to be able to deliver them within Dynamics. You want to make sure you're capturing and recording all of the transactions. Very importantly, especially now, is the availability to be online anywhere. Users can simply log into Dynamics 365 and start using our all-channel communication solutions. But there's also mobile apps and web browsers. So, we're delivering the flexibility for end customers to use whatever channel of communication that they prefer. And also because the channels are delivered inherently within our software, they're able to switch between the channels within the same transaction, and the activity is still captured, logged in Dynamics and also recorded compliantly. I mentioned the compliance aspect. Voice traffic's completely encrypted. All data is encrypted in our military-grade cloud, both on transit and in rest.
So what industries does Solgari sort of specialize in?
Yeah, it's a good question. I guess we would consider ourselves horizontal because sales and customer services, they almost transcend verticals, but there are particular verticals where we are, that are like sweet spots for us. Insurance, for example. If you think about insurance, let's look at brokers. Brokers often grow by acquisition, and they're creating a myriad of disparate siloed communication solutions with them. So there's no single view of their customer, there's no integration between their core IT systems. There's also a concern around the limitations and lack of operational flexibility in legacy communication solutions, affecting the ability to work remotely.
Okay. So, we were talking last week a little bit about your partner program, and it sounds, I think this is sort of the right time for a partner program as we're in, we're in a difficult situation here, all working from home, we're all dispersed. And I think a lot of companies are looking for a solution like Solgari that can get them up and running quickly and, reorganize their communications within their organization, because we're not all in a call center today. Talk a little bit about what you have going on with Microsoft in the co-sell program, and talk a little bit about your partner program.
Yeah, so currently we're looking to expand our partner program, Rick, into North America and LATAM. We have an up and coming partner webinar, which will cover an introduction to Solgari, why Solgari from a partner perspective. We'll talk a little bit about the co-sell program and the benefits from both the partner's perspective as well as Solgari's, and a little bit about our customer success stories. So you can sign up to the webinar. I'm sure we'll post a link.
Okay, that's great. So I'll put all the partner information in the notes of the Partner Talk. So I think it's exciting. And when I talk to partners about Solgari, like, I interact with partners all the time. And right now, some of them are very busy, some are not so busy. But everyone is interested in hearing more about Solgari, because I think their customer base are really looking for this type of solution. So I just hope you're prepared to be very, very busy in the next few months.
Yeah, well, busy's become our norm, Rick. We're pleased that we're able to maintain our BAU and continue working hard. So bring it on.
Okay, Tamara, thank you. I look forward to speaking with you in the future and learning more about Solgari and their partner program. Thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Rick. Have a good day.